the strongest emotion out there, and any act done out of love can go a long way. And I think so. Dr. Vijayant Reddy is a clear example of that. I was just talking to Priyanka here, and she was telling me that uncle बहुत अच्छे है, and I think that's the greatest testament to your work. I always feel like, I've grown up in a family which is filled with doctors. My brother's a doctor, my best friends are doctors. So I know the value that a doctor can make in your life. My grandmother is a cancer survivor. So I always feel that the true heroes are doctors, and the true heroines are doctors more than anyone else, because the ability to save someone is something that I mean, you all are playing God basically, and it's great so that you have this organization here. It's my request to people out there, whoever can donate, whoever can in whatever way. We always think that when we make the money we will donate, but I think we should create a culture of donation. Even if it's 1%, 10% of your income, you should just put it away and forget about it, because someone like this organization knows how to put the resource. We always feel like kuch acha karna chahiye, we should do something good in our life, but we probably don't know how to do it. And here is an organization which knows how they can save people's lives. So if someone is willing to do it, we should do it. Encourage the culture of donation, because it's something that you never know. Sometimes even 100 rupees could save someone's life. And a lot of cancer children actually can be treated, because children are very resilient, and the only problem there is that they don't have enough funds. The parents don't have enough funds to save these children. And I would like to actually donate for 2 children. I think on an average it's around 1.25 lakhs. I would love to sponsor 2 children. I would love to donate 2.5 lakhs to your cause. And I hope this can be a constant association, and it's great work that you all are doing here today. So guys, whatever it is that you feel like, okay, it's a little amount, it's a small amount, it's fine, go ahead and donate it, because every single drop in the ocean can, makes the ocean. So please, it's my humble request out there to anybody, whoever's attending here, watching this event, please go ahead and donate, because they're doing a fabulous job and we need to support them. Thank you to the golfers out there who are, playing every year and helping raise funds. They raise around 30 to 40 lakhs per event, and that's something amazing. So support the heroes out there, just like you buy a ticket which contributes to my box office collection. Please buy a ticket for their organization and help them and support them. So thank you, and congratulations. I think your parents aptly named you Vijay Anand Reddy. I would say Vijay is the winner, and achiever, and Anand is happiness. I think you do bring happiness to people's lives, sir, and congratulations and thank you. Oh, and my manager also would like to donate another lakh. So thank you, Hari Garu, for this great donation. And whatever you guys can give, it will help a child. Thank you.